welcome to Lamborghini. And this is a very exciting day for all of us here in this company, and we're very happy to share this moment with you.
Once upon a time, a man, Ferruccio Lamborghini, decided to follow his own dream, to create a new supersport car. This visionary entrepreneur started his challenge exactly here, when we are today. And then the company, year after year, grew up continuously. This was really a big effort for us. And we push ourselves beyond our limits. That's why we established a new way of producing the LB744.
Today is a wonderful day because it's the beginning of a new era for Automobili Lamborghini. Today marks the most important event of the year. It's the launch of a supersports car. And if we speak about supersports cars, then we speak about design and performance. But if we want then to have the other part of the performance, it's about emotion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lamborghini Revuelto.
We combine this high-performance, natural aspirated V12 with the electric boost. Our customer expect from us always to bring in the next generation the performance on the next level. And then later on I can show you some numbers. I can promise you this we achieved in a very dramatic way. Not only a car for us, it's a flagship, it's our pinnacle.
It's a car that is opening the door towards the future. It's the starting point of an exciting future of Lamborghini design. It's the first hybrid V12. We have a complete new interior that is also doing a quantum leap forward. I'm absolutely convinced we gave adrenaline a shape. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the design of our new Lamborghini Revuelto.